How to redeem reward points earned on Royal Bank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to redeem reward points earned on Royal Bank credit card. So in that case, you could open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.rbcroyalbank.com/reward points. It's gonna take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. So here you'll be able to see that you can use it as a way of paying your credit card with points, or you could also pay back your purchase with the point, or you can pay bills with the points. So in order to do this procedure, you have to have internet banking, or you need to have an account online, and then you could just click on pay credit card now, and then you need to enter the credential of your account. When you're done entering the information, then you'll be directly taken to the page where you could just press the pay button, enter the redemption code, and all of that. You'll have successfully paid your bills. In this way, you can redeem your points. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.